Now we will learn some different hair types, such as straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, blonde hair, black hair. Okay, so let's try it out. So the first word we have is pelo, which means hair. Pelo, hair, pelo. So we learned this one in the previous lesson, pelo. And there's also another word. You can also say cabello, which also means hair. Cabello. So yeah, you can either say cabello or pelo. Cabello, pelo. But I personally always say pelo. That's my choice. I say pelo, but a lot of people might say cabello. I think a lot of the times women say cabello to refer to their hair, and men use pelo to refer to their hair. But basically, both of them mean hair. You can use either one or the other. And there's also another word that a lot of people get wrong, which is the word caballo. Caballo means horse, caballo. But some people tend to confuse it with cabello, which means hair, because they're very, very similar. So yeah, but make sure you know the difference. Cabello has a letter E, has the E. Cabello. Caballo has the letter A. So yeah, caballo, cabello. It sounds super similar. Cabello, caballo. So yeah, cabello, caballo. So yeah, make sure you know this difference. It's a common mistake when people first start to learn Spanish that they confuse both of them. But yeah, you can either say pelo or cabello. Okay, don't say caballo. Okay, next one. Here we have pelo lacio. You can also say cabello lacio. Both are properly the same. Both are okay. Pelo lacio. Pelo lacio means straight hair. So lacio is kind of like straight, but it's only referring to hair, because straight, the real word for straight would be derecho. Straight, derecho, straight. But when it comes to hair, we say lacio, only for hair. Straight hair, pelo lacio. And the next one is pelo ondulado. And this is a hard word, it's a long word. Ondulado means wavy, so basically like wavy hair. Pelo ondulado, wavy hair. Pelo ondulado or cabello ondulado, both are okay. And the next one is pelo rizado, which means curly hair. Pelo rizado. And it's also very common that people will call it pelo chino. So some other people say pelo chino, referring to curly hair. Others might say pelo rizado. So yeah, there are two ways of saying it. Pelo chino or pelo rizado. But pelo chino actually means Chinese hair. And I have no idea how that happened. But yeah, pelo chino, Chinese hair, basically curly hair. I don't know why, but because Chinese people tend to have straight hair. But yeah, that's what we say. Pelo chino, curly hair, or pelo ondulado. So one more time. Pelo lacio, straight hair. Pelo ondulado, wavy hair. Pelo rizado, or pelo chino, curly hair. Okay, and a few more words. We also have pelo largo, for long hair. Pelo largo. Pelo corto, for short hair. Pelo corto. And calvo. Calvo means bald. So when you don't have hair, you would say calvo, bald. Calvo. So one more time. Pelo largo, long hair. Pelo largo. Pelo corto, short hair. Calvo, bald. Calvo. Okay, let's try the examples. So the first one is, nosotras tenemos el pelo rizado. Nosotras is we for female. So we have curly hair. So everyone in the picture is women, so you can say nosotras. Nosotras tenemos el pelo rizado. We have curly hair. You can also say nosotras tenemos el pelo chino. We have curly hair too, Chinese hair. Pelo chino. And the next one. Tengo el pelo corto y lacio. I have short, straight hair. Tengo el pelo corto y lacio. I have short, straight hair. Pelo corto y lacio. And another example. El soldado está calvo. The soldier is bald. El soldado está calvo. The soldier is bald. And in this case, you can if you were to say el soldado es calvo, that means that he's always bald. Yo soy calvo, I'm bald, but he's like always bald. Está calvo is kind of like temporary. Estoy calvo, I'm temporarily bald. So yeah, this is the difference between ser and estar once again. So yeah, el soldado está calvo. He is bald, temporarily bald. Es calvo, always bald. And the next one. Tengo el pelo largo y ondulado. I have long wavy hair. You can also remove the L. You can just say tengo pelo largo y ondulado. You can also say it that way. You can remove el pelo. Tengo pelo largo y ondulado. I have long wavy hair. Or tengo el pelo. Both are the same. They're okay. I have long wavy hair. And let's try a few more because it's a long class. Let's see. Here we have cabello negro, which means black hair. Cabello negro. This one is simple, or pelo negro. It's simple because negro means black. But after that, it becomes quite hard. And I don't know why. Because brown hair, we say cabello castaño. So yeah, we have a word for this. Castaño. Cabello castaño. Brown hair. Some people might say cabello café. That's also okay, actually. Cabello café. Because café means brown. Cabello café. That could be much easier than castaño. It even confuses me sometimes because some people have like a little bit of dark hair and they still say castaño. So I don't know where the line between brown and black is with this word. So if you're in doubt, you can say cabello café. Brown hair. Cabello negro. Black hair. And the next one. Here we have cabello rubio, which means blonde hair. Cabello rubio. Blonde hair. Rubio basically means blonde. Cabello rubio. And the next one is cabello pelirrojo. So yeah, you know the word rojo, which means red. Peli comes from pelo. So yeah, it becomes one word. Pelirrojo. Pelo rojo. Pelirrojo. And and we actually add cabello to cabello pelirrojo. Or pelo pelirrojo. Tiene el pelo pelirrojo. Yes, cabello pelirrojo, pelo pelirrojo. Pelirrojo means ginger. Ginger hair. Pelirrojo. Okay, so one more time. Cabello negro, black hair. Cabello castaño. Oh, one more thing. Some people might actually say cabello café castaño. Like brown castaño. Café castaño. Some people say it that way too. Café castaño. For brown hair. So yeah, cabello castaño, cabello café, café castaño. Too many words, but it's okay. One of them will work. The next one, cabello rubio, blonde hair. Cabello pelirrojo, ginger hair. And we also have this one, cabello gris. But whenever you say gris, it tends to be like you painted your hair gray. Kind of like a type of fashion silver gray. Like you want to be fashionable, you would have gray hair. Cabello gris. And the other one is cabello canoso. And this one refers to gray hair, but the one from aging. So whenever you age and your hair starts to turn gray, we say canoso, gray hair. Cabello canoso. Cabello gris is more like fashionable gray color. Cabello gris. Canoso refers to age. Cabello canoso. So sometimes if you have like gray hairs, they would say, oh, tienes canas. Canas basically means you have some gray hairs. Tienes canas. And whenever you have all gray, you would say cabello canoso. Tu pelo es canoso. Your hair is gray due to age. Okay, the next one. Mi pelo es negro. My hair is black, and we have a technical problem because that's not the right English word. But okay, we'll pass it by. Mi pelo es negro. My hair is black. Mi pelo es negro. My hair is black. Ignore the technical mistake with the English translation. Okay, next one. Mi pelo es de color café castaño. My hair is brown. So basically, my hair is colored brown castaño. I don't know what castaño means, but it basically means brown. I know what castaño means. It means brown, but it's basically in English like saying, my hair is brown. Café castaño. Café castaño, brown. My hair is brown. Okay, next one. Soy rubia. I'm blonde. Soy rubia. Simple. Soy rubia. I'm blonde. And the next one. Soy pelirroja. I'm a redhead. Or I'm ginger. Soy pelirroja. I'm ginger. I'm red hair. The next one. La artista tiene el pelo gris. The artist has gray hair. Gris is more like fashionable gray. La artista tiene el pelo gris. And the next one. Mi abuelo es canoso. So this is another way of saying it. You can say, mi abuelo tiene pelo gris, pelo canoso. He has gray hair. Or es canoso. He is gray-haired, basically. My grandfather has gray hair. Mi abuelo es canoso. You can say es canoso or tiene el pelo canoso. Both are okay. And that's it for this one. And thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the Quizlet for this one. It's a little bit of a long lesson. There's a lot of vocabulary words. Thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.